When I was a kid, if I had something like this on the table, I would have thought that it was one of my most favorite types of meals. I'm gonna show you how to make this easy pasta dish in your deluxe multi-cooker. It's our pressure cooker and it shaves off the time for babysitting a pot. You dump it all in, push a button, and that's it. I have the ground turkey browning in the deluxe multi-cooker, and while that's happening, we'll go ahead and mince up an onion. I love being able to cut the onions super fine with the electric twist and chop. If you have family members that don't like to see chunks of onion or bite into them, you can make them really fine with this. Add the onion. This recipe does call for ground beef. I'm using ground turkey instead. You can use them interchangeably in so many recipes. We'll add a couple of cloves of fresh garlic. It calls for 3, but my cloves are really big. So stick the clove of garlic in there. And if you like, press the handle on your board and lean into it. It makes it a lot easier to press it through, especially if you have big cloves and you have trouble squeezing them. There you go. And then all you've got left is the paper, just like that. I'll just scoop that all up and put it in with the onions. We need a whole jar of marinara sauce. I love the Rao's brand. There's no sugar added to theirs, and so if you're trying to eat healthier and you want to use a jarred sauce, that's a good one. And then we need a 1/4 cup of red wine. So the jar opener allows you to open these little bottles and jars too. It's so easy. It's graduated. So as long as you are flat, you can't be tipped, you got to be flat across the top. You'll be able to get it off very easily. I'm going to go ahead and pour the whole jar right into the deluxe multi-cooker. And then we need a 1.75 cups of beef broth. I'll dump a little bit of it into my jar. I actually had a box of a sodium-free beef broth for another recipe a while back. I froze the rest of it into 1 cup increments. So today all I had to do was pull a couple of those out of the freezer. I just basically washed out my jar. That Rao's sauce is delicious, but it's pricey, so you don't want to waste any of it. We need that 1/4 cup of the red wine. If you don't want to use wine, you can use extra beef broth. You just do need the liquid because we are going to add the dry pasta right to the pot. So I've got 1/2 pound of the fusilli. You can use penne, use what you have. Here's what it looks like. I will hit the cancel button, add your lid. And for us, high pressure, if you use the custom feature up here, the top one, it will default to high pressure. Push the button in, reduce it to 5 minutes. Press and hold. That's it. I love using my deluxe cooking blender for grating Parmesan cheese. Just chunk it up, add it to the pitcher, and you'll turn the dial to the grind feature. You will not need the full cycle. You're just going to run it until it's kind of powdery. Let's take a look. That's it. After the 5 minutes of high pressure, I did a manual release. And we'll go ahead and give it a stir. It will thicken up as it sits. It looks really good. So let's get a scoop. If your family loves pasta, this is going to become part of your regular rotation. There we go. Okay, look how quick and easy this was. We'll take some of that freshly grated Parmesan, add a little sprinkle over the top, and here we go. Quick and easy family dinner in the deluxe multi-cooker. This is one of my favorite small appliances that I use multiple times a week. If you'd like to get one in your kitchen, I can help you get it at a discount when you host an online party with me.